next task you can find in the notes, that is monitoring the level. This is also interesting. I'm continuing with the project, with the same project. Now monitoring the level. Why the need of this monitoring the level? For coordination. And as a mechanical, I believe all are mechanical in this group, or any electrical also. Okay, so I'll take the reference of electrical. So as an electrical or mechanical engineer, you know the importance of the levels, right? What will happen if you change the level for one service? It will affect to all the services, no? Similarly, if there is a change in the level from the architect at the time of design stage, will affect to all the services. For example, the bottom of slab, you know what is bottom slab? Say 12 feet. A small villa project, for example, and according to 12 feet, we'll set the services. But if you at the time of design only, the construction is not done. So at the time of design only, initially we got the level from the architect, say 12 feet, the bottom of slab. But later they changed to say 11 feet. So it will affect to all the services level. Na? So for that, we require the information, quick information from the architect, if any change in the level from the architectural side. And this can be done by monitoring the architectural level. If you set the levels under monitoring, which level? The copied level and the original level. Original level means from the link, and the copied level, what we did just now, the copying the level, no? We'll put that two levels under monitoring. So that if any change in the actual level from the architect, because the architect will open that link file, they will not link. We are linking because we are dealing with the mechanical electrical services, but the architect will open that the arc link model. And if they do any changes in the level, and when they save, what will happen? You will get the message change in the level if the level under monitoring. Or else one more advantage, by mistake, if you change the level, if it is not matched with the original level, you'll get the alert. So this is very interesting and useful option. So how I'll show you monitoring the architecture level. So I'll continue with the same files, and monitoring again can be done with the section or elevation, means with the levels. So I'm going to open, say, NorthMech again. Now you can notice, actually this is a reminder, save reminder. So I'm going to ignore this. I'll show you how to set this later. Next, here I'm going to zoom. Now you see the left side, level 1 entry, 2 floor, 3 floor, roof. This is a roof and parapet. These are all link level, na? Original level. And right side is what? This 2 from the template file, and this 2 what we create. Nothing but these are the copied levels, these are the project level, not the link level. Now how to put this under monitoring? Simple. Click on collaborate tab. From this you'll find in the notes, you can verify all these points. Click on this collaborate tab, coordinate panel, copy monitor, drop down, select, everything is same, no need to do any change, just you can verify. Click on the collaborate tab. From this here you see, actually it is in drop down because of the screen resolution. So this is a actually coordinate panel. You see coordinate panel, same visibility is different because as per my screen resolution. Coordinate panel, you see copy monitor drop down, select link. Which link? The arc link, architectural link. And when you select this, you see by default this link will select. After selecting the link, you need to select the link, and you can select anywhere because this complete is a link file, na? Click anywhere on the link, it will select. And when you select the link, you will get the tools panel. Under this, click monitor, and what you do, select the copy level, and with the continuation select the entry level. You can see the monitoring symbol. So monitoring is done between these two levels, and continue the same for all the levels. Level 2, 0 to floor, monitoring is done. Level 3, 03, monitoring is done. Mechanical 3 and this roof, monitoring is done. After completing for all the levels, suppose a 10 floor or 20 floor, whatever, then click finish. Monitoring is done. Now how to verify the monitoring? Simply cross window selection. You know, cross window selection of AutoCAD. Say cross polygon, na? Here, cross polygon selection. You can see the monitoring symbol. But in actual practice, if the architect open this link file, we are using this link file, na? But they will open. And if they do any changes in the level, you'll get the message. But here I cannot show at this level because I don't have a server, or means the architect is not working with me. Okay. but I can show one option. By mistake, if you change, you see, if the architect change, you'll get the message. Or by mistake, if you change, for example, instead of this 24, I'm changing this to 26 feet. You see, coordination monitor alert, monitor this level move by 2 feet. The similar message will get if the architect change the level and if they save the link file. So that quickly you can take the action and update the level of your service, right? This is also one more tool for the coordination point of view. Okay, Control Z, 24 now. So monitoring is done. Next topic is very, very important. As I said, we'll talk about the VG. You see, display that disable the display of architecture level. This is one example to learn about the VG. Okay, so this is interesting and important too. And VG is required for all the services till the end, because at the time of working, we'll work on the visibility also, avoid confusion. And finally, if you want to take the prints also, we'll set the visibility. Suppose if you want only duct layout, so I'll hide all the unnecessary objects in that of related to the other services. Similarly, I want lighting layout, so I'll hide all the mechanical, even the receptacle or electrical equipment in that. Just I'll show that lighting. So visibility is important. So at the time of working and at the time of creating this details and placing that views on the sheet for printout, etc. So this is starting of VG, and VG in short we used to call, but it's a visibility graphics. From where you can access this tool from the view tab. You see, from the view tab here, graphic panel, visibility graphics, or the command is VG shortcut. Okay. At this level, just I'm giving the preview for VG. Just I'm giving the idea just on this example. In the next session, we'll discuss more about the VG. Okay. So let me give you the idea first. One simple example so that you can understand the concept. But we have detailed tools related to VG that we'll discuss in the next session. So right now, I'm interested to hide this original levels because we already create the copy level. No? We copied this level, so I don't want to see this level. So can you delete these levels? No, you see, if you try to delete this, first, if you select, everything will select. And if you delete, everything will delete, means the link will delete. So you cannot delete. Even if you can delete, for example, suppose that you can delete, you're not supposed to, or you're not allowed to delete because this is not a part of your project. This is related to the link file. So you're not allowed to disturb the architectural or structural link files, right? Anyhow, you cannot do this, but I want to hide this. I don't want to see this because this is creating confusion for me. So this can be done. You see, if you try to use these options like temporary hide, etc., by selecting this link file, it is difficult. Why? Because what we discussed, this is just temporary options. Okay, but I want to hide this permanently. And again, if you want to hide the permanently, I cannot use the right click option, hide in view. If I do this, what will happen? The whole link will be hidden. I want to hide only the levels from the link. So for that, you can use the VG. In the VG, you'll find the detailed information for annotation object, for model categories, etc. And at this level, I'm showing the VG for what? For the link file. Later, we'll use the VG for the project file, for the project component visibility. So how to access? Simply type VG. You can verify from the notes all these points. You see, you can find from page number 33, point number 32. After typing VG, here Rivet link, I'll show you. So you see, after typing VG, or you can access from this graphic panel, you'll get this window, visibility graphics overwrite for what? Elevation north mech. And one more important point here, if you want, you can make a note. You can write VG is limited to current view. VG is limited to current view. Current view means if I apply the VG, if I do the settings, this will apply only for the current view, elevation north mech. This one, north mech elevation, not for this one ceiling or other. So VG is limited to current view. For each and every view, if you want different visibility settings for different views, you need to update for the different views. But we have one shortcut option also called view template. We'll discuss later. but at present focus on the VG. So VG is limited to current view. So when I type VG, this in this settings, what I'm going to update now is going to apply only for the current view. But at this level, I'm interested to hide these levels for what? For the link file. Okay. So what, after typing the VG, find out Rivet link, tap. You can find here Rivet link. And this Rivet link tab will not be available if you not link any file. So if you, when you practice and if you try to find out this Rivet link, this will not be available if you not link any link file. Okay, this will be available only after linking the 3D intelligent building. Okay, so here is available, and click by host view. You see, and you can verify here. The link name is what? ArcLink model. Now what we link, you can verify here the link file. You see, and after this, click by host view. You'll get a window, and actually these are properties similar to VG. Right, this level for the link file. Now what you do, click custom. Custom is you can able to customize, but for what? I'm at this level, I'm interested to hide only the levels. And remember, level is a line, so level, dimension, text, tag all comes under annotation category. If it is 3D intelligent component, comes under model category, like a wall, door, window of the link file comes under model category. But all the levels, all the levels means lines, drawings, or this dimensions, or this tags means text, actually not exactly text but similar like text, we'll discuss later in detail. Or text comes under annotation category. Click annotation category, again click custom, then only it will activate and you can able to change. So which option you want to hide? You want to hide what? Levels, right? So find the level category, type L, you'll find the L information here. So I'm going to deselect this, click OK. Okay, you can notice the levels here hidden now, right? Same way, if you want, you can hide this plants also, which is not required in building services, right? So I can again type VG, go to this Rivet link, custom, plant comes under model category. Here we'll discuss this filter list also later. At this is just I'm giving the preview, and then find planting. Citizen like this, you can use the VG. This is just a preview for the VG. Yes, I'm going to hold this topic here only. In the next session, we'll continue with VG first. We'll discuss all the options of VG, almost all the options. Then we'll talk about view template. Okay, because after this point, I'll add n number of options related to VG, because VG is important, which is not in the notes. You can make a copy in the next session. So we'll complete. Just have given the preview of the VG. Okay, so let me complete the other option of VG, which is applicable for the project file. Then the advanced or the set of VG is view template, the next step. Okay, so in the next session. So I request to please practice this. So